In this video, I'll show you how to add subject lines to posts in Microsoft Teams. Using subject lines makes your channel conversations easier to read, more organized, and helps important messages stand out, especially in busy teams. Let's get started. Open Microsoft Teams and go to the team and channel where you want to post a message. Inside of the channel, click Post instead of typing directly into the reply box. Subject lines only appear in new channel posts, not in replies. You'll see a subject field appear at the top. Click into that field and type your subject line. This should be a short, clear summary of your message, such as an announcement, update, or question. Next, type your main message in the body area below. You can also use formatting options like bold text, bullet points, links, or mentions to make your post clearer. When you're done, click Post. Your message will now appear in the channel with the subject line displayed in bold at the top, making it easier for team members to quickly understand what the post is about. It's important to note that subject lines are only available for channel posts, not private chats or replies within a thread. Replies will appear under the original subject line automatically. Using subject lines consistently is a great way to keep conversations organized, especially for announcements, meeting updates, deadlines, or project discussions. That's how to add subject lines to posts in Microsoft Teams. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Microsoft Teams tips and tutorials.